I just created this calculator. It'll, it's purple and has these different rows and it has a background color. It doesn't actually work because it's just HTML and CSS. Here is my CSS and here's my HTML. I did learn if you do the doc type with exclamation, just type an exclamation point enter, it fills in all the basics. Then all I did was I linked the style sheet right here, and I put in the title. I left everything else the same. From here we were able to create the main class, which I think is just like the outline of this. We named it text area, determined the columns and rows, and then I don't know exactly what this, the 0. So this whole thing right here, this first line, is creating this box, this text area. That's what that is. Now each one of these 4 are creating a row. So here's the CEX divide, right? And then 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6 minus, right? We go down, down, down. So that's just listing out the row. Over here in CSS, we have the main, this changes the background color. The padding is the width on the sides over here. Well, something like that, or maybe the width of the buttons. Margin set to auto. Now container, doing the grid, and the grid template is what lets it set up like this. And then row gaps and column gaps, give it the little gaps. Let's see. Each row, background color. Oh yeah, so row height. So for the row icons, each individual icon in each row that we saw in the HTML is getting the height and width of 40 pixels, making it a square, and the color I selected for the background. Text line center, text area, text line right is for the up here for the text area that we talked about. Dot number, background color, that changed how these are lighter gray than the rest. And then dot row hover, so when I hover over them, they turn slightly yellow, and then the pointer, cursor pointer, does that. Boom.